Good Tuesday evening, Southeast Texas. Tomorrow, Wednesday, is going to be an ugly day. It is going to be wet, it is going to be windy, and it's going to be cool, maybe even chilly in some spots. By 9 a.m., we expect about a 40% coverage, and that really ramps up around noontime into the mid-afternoon hours. Small chance of severe weather, mainly in the triangle, and then we'll be watching the front move through our area as we work on into the evening hours. Late tonight, or I should say late tomorrow night, we'll start to see the rains move on out. As far as modeling, this is through Wednesday, and it looks like anywhere between 1.5 inches to maybe 2.3 inches of rainfall expected this go-round, and that's precisely what the forecast shows. Anywhere between about 1 inch and, well, a quarter up in the lakes area to maybe 2.5 inches in spots in the triangle. And with that amount of rainfall, if it comes down heavy enough, for maybe an hour or two, we could have some problems as far as some isolated pockets of flash flooding. There is a very marginal, small risk of flash flooding coming up tomorrow night. And we could have some spin-ups along the and south of the Interstate 10 corridor. Some severe weather is possible, but again, it's a small chance. And again, if we see anything, it'd be mainly wind damage at this point. Otherwise, it's all due to this upper-level trough of low pressure working its way across the Texas Panhandle. That'll drag a series of upper-level disturbances into our area coming up tomorrow, and that will induce the potential for heavy rainfall and maybe an isolated severe thunderstorm, and then we'll see better weather as we head on into, say, Thursday. So tonight, a blanket of cloud cover will envelop southeast Texas as an approaching warm front also moves on in. That will actually cause temperatures to be 15 to 20 degrees warmer than what we saw this morning. It won't be frosty, but it'll be chilly. And I think low temperatures will actually occur during the evening hours with rising temperatures towards morning. Could see the mid-40s lakes and into the lower 50s triangle. Then we start rising those temperatures up by daybreak. Could be in the low to mid-50s in the triangle and into around 50 by daybreak on, say, Wednesday morning. Look at the rains increasing across the area. Just ugly looking weather across southeast Texas. You'll need jackets and wet weather gear tomorrow as temperatures might get up into the mid-60s in the triangle. Again, the strongest storms will be right along Interstate 10, so heads up Port Arthur, Winnie, maybe over towards LaBelle. And again, we'll be watching that front work its way on in during the late afternoon and evening hours across southeast Texas, putting the end of the rain in sight. On the Gulf of Mexico, not a good day to head out at all with a small craft advisory for rough seas 3 to 6, maybe a 7-footer out there. We'll see southeasterly winds at 20 to 25 knots. Forecast tonight, increasing clouds and warmer, about 15 to 20 degrees warmer. Mid-40s in the lakes area, lower 50s in the triangle. This will probably occur 9, 10 o'clock as that cloud cover and warm front approach. Then temperatures will rise as we head towards daybreak. Then tomorrow we'll go with a 90% coverage of rain and thunderstorms, some locally heavy rainfall possible. Upper 50s lakes, mid-60s triangle. Could see some wind gusts here in the triangle to 25 miles an hour, maybe 20 up in the lakes area. Extended forecast, some leftover clouds Thursday morning, then afternoon sun, a breezy, cool day. Look at this, highs in the 50s, persisting. Yeah, that's below normal, which is in the mid-60s. Some frost on the pumpkin, possibly Saturday morning, and then maybe a little moderation on temperatures as we head on into Sunday. Monday and Tuesday look like below normal temperatures persisting. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.